Now let's look at more closely removing duplicates within a query. Let's go to the Sales 2019 to 2021 query, and I want to make a copy of this. In fact, I want 2 copies or 2 duplicates of this. So I click it, I press Ctrl-C to copy, and I press Ctrl-V to paste, and I'll press Ctrl-V to paste again, so I end up with 2 copies. I'll click on this instance here, press F2, and I want to call this Brands List. This one here I want to click, press F2 and call it Countries List. And really I'm just wanting in the Brands List query to create a unique list of brands. So I click on the brand column heading and I go to Transform. And what I want to do is I want to remove duplicates. To remove duplicates, you could right click and just say Remove Duplicates. When I do so, I am left with only 11 rows, each being a unique brand. You've also got on the Home tab the ability to remove duplicates simply by using the Remove Duplicates button. Now, if I want to get rid of all the other columns, I've got this column selected here, and if I go to Remove Columns, I'll choose Remove Other Columns, so to remove all the columns except this one, leaving me with just a unique list of brands. If I now go to Countries, and I go to the first column here, and I want to remove duplicates, then I'll simply right click and I'll simply remove duplicates. Then I want to remove all the columns except this column, so I'll go Remove Columns and Remove Other Columns, leaving me with a unique list of countries and a unique list of brands. So that's the easiest way to duplicate queries and to remove duplicates in a particular table.